Think your home has a story? The White House has lived through fire, rebuilds, hidden spaces, and more than 2 centuries of updates. The White House was completed in 1800, yet the home we see today is far from the original. Only 14 years after it was built, British troops set the structure on fire during the War of 1812. The interior was lost. Everything inside had to be rebuilt from scratch. Over the next 100 years, the home kept changing. Presidents expanded and adapted it to support the work of the country. The West Wing was added, the Oval Office followed. Later came the Truman Balcony, which reshaped the look and function of the South Portico. The most dramatic update arrived in the late 1940s. Engineers found that the entire structure was failing. Floors were buckling, walls were shifting. President Truman and his family moved out so the interior could be rebuilt with a modern steel framework. The exterior stayed, but the home inside became completely new. Since then, every administration has continued to make updates. Some changes are public, others remain private. Decor, layouts, technology, and essential maintenance all shift to match the needs of each era. The White House is more than a landmark. It is a living home that continues to evolve, so it stays functional, safe, and ready for the future. It proves that even the most iconic homes need thoughtful care to support the people who live inside them. And just like any home, the updates we choose shape the stories built inside. It is a reminder that the future always starts with how we care for the places we live. If this inspired you to rethink your space, follow us for insights that help you make smart home decisions with confidence.